Welcome to GKR Tamosri. Which is the driest place of India? A. Surat, B. Jaisalmer, C. Anantapur, D. Jaipur. B. Jaisalmer. The driest place in India is Jaisalmer, located in Thar Desert in Rajasthan, which receives very little rainfall and experiences extreme temperature. Jaisalmer is situated in the heat of Thar Desert, also known as Great Indian Desert. Which train runs between India and Pakistan? A. Thar Express, B. Samjhauta Express, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. C. Both A and B. The Samjhauta Express and the Thar Express are two trains that connect India and Pakistan, with the Samjhauta Express running between Delhi and Lahore route via Atari-Waha border crossing and carries both passenger and freight, and the Thar Express link between Jodhpur and Karachi via Monaba-Kharagpur border crossing and carry only passenger. In India, Blue Revolution is associated with which product? A. Production of fish, B. Production of wheat, C. Production of jute, D. Production of milk. A. Production of fish. India has witnessed several agriculture revolutions, each targeting specific agriculture product to boost production and self-sufficiency, like Green Revolution related with food grains, rice and wheat, White Revolution related with milk production, Yellow Revolution related with oilseed production. Chandigarh is the capital of which two Indian states? A. Haryana and Punjab, B. Tamil Nadu and Kerala, C. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat and Rajasthan. A. Haryana and Punjab. Chandigarh is the city and union territory in northern India, serving as a shared capital of states of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is located near the foothill of Shivalink range of Himalayas, bordering Haryana to the east and Punjab in the remaining directions. Which monument is known as the National Monument of India? A. Red Fort, B. Qutub Minar, C. Taj Mahal, D. India Gate. B. India Gate is also known as All Indian War Memorial, commemorates Indian soldiers who died in World War I and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. The addition of Amar Jawan Jyoti in 1972, honoring soldiers who sacrificed their lives in Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Which is called the Lifeline of India? A. Railways, B. Roadways, C. Airways, D. Waterways. A. Railways. The Indian Railway are often referred to the lifeline of India because they are a crucial mode of transportation for both passenger and freight, connecting various parts of the country and facilitating economic and social activities. Which is the northernmost point of India? A. Srinagar, B. Kashmir, C. Indrakol, D. Jammu. C. Indrakol. The northernmost point of India is known as Indrakol, located in the Choich and Mushtaq of Karakoram range in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and also the southernmost point of India is Indra Point, located on the Great Nicobar Islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who was the first batsman to complete 10,000 runs in the Test cricket? A. Sachin Tendulkar, B. Sunil Gavaskar, C. Rahul Dravid, D. MS Dhoni. B. Sunil Gavaskar. The first batsman to reach 10,000 runs in the Test cricket was Sunil Gavaskar, who achieved the milestone in March 1987 against Pakistan. Which is the second largest state in India? A. Rajasthan, B. West Bengal, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state in India by area after Rajasthan. It covers an area over 308,000 square kilometers. How many high courts are there in India? A. 24, B. 25, C. 29, D. 30. B. 25. India currently has 25 high courts, with some having jurisdiction over multiple states or union territories. Answer for last video was France. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France to United States, presented as the symbol of friendship and celebration of alliance between two nations during American Revolution. The video is available on iQuod. Which is the largest country in the world? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.